So I've never made a video about me, but I've always made videos.
Hi, Dad.
You're gonna have another baby? Yay! Another baby's coming! Another baby! Yay!
Are you excited?
Yes!
I can't remember a time when I didn't have a camera in my hand, filming bands, skateboarding, friends, whatever I could get in front of my lens. Back then there wasn't YouTube. No one really wanted to shoot videos. There wasn't any talk about being famous or getting followers or subscribers. That just wasn't a thing. But that's where I've always been, behind the lens. And I truly enjoy that. And I love sharing that with people. I'm a storyteller, but I've never told my story. As I've grown up, the importance of life has shifted from trying to do something big to just trying to enjoy life and help others.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
It's made my reason to stay behind the lens even more impactful, to tell others stories. Whether it's traveling with my family and having them relive those moments later, which, side note, is the whole reason I honestly do this YouTube channel, because the little girls love to watch it. Or if it's a campaign for a meaningful company that I've worked with across the country, the impact is bigger than just me. I tell their stories. Sometimes they're simple stories just to make my heart happy. A day at the park, a camping trip, the little moments in life that I like to capture. Or sometimes there's stories with a purpose, like to help get their story heard, something with meaning. I used to worry too much about getting the good shot or the best angle or something creative that piques my interest, but really, sometimes it's just about getting a shot, capturing that moment. I don't spend my weekends waking up for the sunrise shooting anymore. I did that for years. Now I lay in bed with my kids and I enjoy them in the morning. The grind of trying to create something great has turned into sometimes putting the camera down and experiencing moments. I can't capture every moment the way that I see it, but I can remember it with any image. Sometimes taken by the kids, half of their face, or sometimes whatever they want you to see.
That's cool!
That, to me, becomes more powerful. Since a lot of my friends and family know that I shoot videos, I always get asked questions like, what kind of camera should I get? What's the best camera? Or what is the best camera for this amount of money? And I mean, the truth is, each one of my YouTube videos, I shoot it with about 4 to 6 cameras. I own so many cameras, and to me, they're all just tools. You don't try and hammer a screw because you need a screwdriver. For me, each camera has a different purpose, and the best camera is normally the one that you have. Any camera in that moment that you want to capture is perfect. Or don't. And just watch the moment happen and enjoy it.
Yeah!
I wish more people would honestly put the camera down and just enjoy and experience these moments. I went to a concert the other night and the only video I took was of my kids enjoying the experience. I don't need to shoot the whole show. I'm there, I'm watching it. And I wish more people would just enjoy the moment. So I don't have much else to say. I just always wanted to make this video for myself. This is the real world. And you only get one chance at it. And it's beautiful. So try and enjoy it.
I love you, Dad. Dad.